Namaskar. Very warm welcome to all the viewers and learners in this live interaction of CIET NCERT based on virtual labs. I am Renu Bhatt with you all, and you are watching us live on PM eVidya channel from channel number 6 to 12. And apart from all these channels, you are with us on our YouTube channels as well, that is NCERT official and NCERT PM eVidya class number 6 to 12. And dear viewers, as you can see, I am accompanied by our sign language interpreter. Let's meet her. You are Miss Anushka Sharma. Anushka, very warm welcome. And this session is for virtual labs, and the topic that we are going to discuss today in this specific session is quite important. The topic is demonstration of simulation on bubble sort, and this session is for computer science 12th standard students. And dear viewers, as you all know, virtual labs are very much important these days, and with the help of internet you can perform any experiment of yours at your convenience. But what exactly virtual labs are and how you can perform your experiments and what is the navigation for that, we have joined by our expert to throw more light on this particular topic. So without any further delay, let's quickly meet him. You are Mr. Harsh Madhav. You are consultant technical from CIET NCERT New Delhi. Very warm welcome, sir.
Good morning.
And before we start this particular session, let me share some certain information to all the viewers out there. In case you have any query or you want to know more about virtual lab, you can reach out to us through our various mediums. We really want you to call us on our telephone number. It's 8800 440 559. Either you can drop your email address as well. All your feedbacks on our email address, that is diksha.training at ciet.nic.in. And if you have joined us through our live streaming, then you have to go to the live chat box, and then only you can drop your comments out there. Our expert will be more than happy to answer all your queries and doubts if you have any. So let's quickly start this session. And at the very beginning of this session, Harsh, sir, we want you to tell us more about the virtual lab importance, specifically in computer science subject.
So, virtual lab in computer science, in terms of computer science, like in many school or in many rural areas, still computer labs are not there.
Right.
So, for them, we need only a stable internet connection or any devices like mobile phone, smartphones or tablets or computer, so that the student can perform their activity like the simulation things by using the mobile phone also and tablets also with only the internet. So it will be very convenient for all the students and the learners to understand the virtual lab simulation through the internet and the tablets and the other devices.
Okay, so our viewers or all these students, they can perform, they can use this platform on their mobile phone as well.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now could you please explain about our topic, what we are going to discuss today?
So today we will discuss the bubble sort. So bubble sort is basically a sorting technique. So we will do the sorting till then when the numbers in the array is sorted in such a way that it will be arranged in a ascending order. Like suppose I will give you the example. So here I will give you the example.
Sure.
So let's take an array. So right now I have taken phone number 2413. So basically bubble sorting will do, it will check the first two number, like it will compare right number from the left whether it is greater or smaller. So and it will go to till n minus 1. N minus 1 means the length. Here you can see the array is 4 number, but in array we count length as 0, 1, 2, 3. It means the length is 0, 1, 2, 3. It means there are 4 length. So we will go like this, like 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1. It means that this number of passes will go to 3. So it will check first the number like 2, 4. So you can see that 2, 4 is like 2 is less than 4. So it is already arranged in a ascending order manner. After that, the next pass it will go. So now it will check 4, 1. So you can see 4 is greater than 1. It is not arranged in a proper manner, in a bubble sorting manner. So it will sort here. So again for the next step, it will sort like this. Now it will pass to the another level. It will check 4 3. You can see 4 is greater than 3, the next number. So now again it will sort it. As you can see, the greater number in this all 4-digit number, like 4 is placed in a correct position. So now we will again sort it. Now we will check for these two number. Now we will again sort this two number, like 2 1. It will check for 2 1. So now we will take like 2 is greater than 1. So it will be swap the number. Now after everything, you can see the sorting, bubble sorting is done, completed. Now you can see 1 2 3 4 is set, it's sorted in the ascending order. So bubble sorting is completed here. So this is the reason. Bubble sorting is basically a sorting technique which is completed till the number is sorted in an ascending order. So this is the example. Now I will go with the explanation part in the simulation thing.
Sure. So it might be possible there are some viewers who joined us for the first time. They don't have any information about virtual labs. In that case, could you please tell them about the virtual labs, where they can find this platform? And there must be so many questions in their mind, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Is it free or is it open to all?
Yes, yes. So it is free for all. It is open for all actually. We just need to create our ID. Like with the help of the mail ID, you can easily register on this Diksha portal. There is a Diksha portal, actually diksha.gov.in. So right now I will search here. So if you hit this diksha.gov.in login, so it will redirect to this page.
Okay.
You can see this is the homepage of diksha.gov.in. Here you can see multiple things are there. So you have to little bit scroll down here. You can see the focus areas of Diksha. So here in the second option you can see virtual lab is there. So a student or any user has created the ID, email ID. With the help of email ID, he or she can easily register to the Diksha portal and can access anytime, anywhere from any place. So by the help of only email ID, he can log in with the Diksha and access the virtual lab.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there any like sorting or student for they have another account, and for teachers they have other account? Is that something?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, while registering in this portal, it will ask like you are logging as what, like as a teacher, as a faculty, or as a individual.
So they have their categories.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So after the Diksha login, when we click on the virtual lab, it will be the homepage will be appear like this. In this, you can see about the virtual lab explanation is there, and you will little bit scroll down. You can see the virtual lab e-content. Actually, it is separated by the class section. Virtual lab e-content is for class 6 to 12. You can see from class to 6 to 12, all the virtual labs according to the NCERT syllabus is stored in this portal. So right now I am explaining class grade 12 bubble sort topic. So I am going here in the explore button. You have to click in the explore button. You can see there are two medium, like in which language you want to understand this thing, like in Hindi medium or English medium. So right now I am clicking on the English medium. You can see the number of subjects which is in class 12 will appear here, like mathematics, science, chemistry, biology and computer science. So right now our topic is from computer science, so I am clicking on computer science. Yeah. So this screen will appear here. You can see on the right hand side table of content is there. Like you can see it is this content is actually as per the NCERT syllabus, and it is already aligned with the NCERT textbook. So we have to search here. You can see bubble sort is there. So right now if you click on the bubble sort, you can see there are two drop down is there. One is explanation resources and second is learning resources. So in explanation resources, if you click here, you can see the theory is there, procedure is there, and self-evaluation part is there. So if any user has logged into the system, into the Diksha portal, and he want to understand like what he or she gonna perform today. So he has to simply click on the theory, so he can understand what he is going to perform today. Like with the help of the theory, you can see objective is here, like implement a program that sorts that given its list elements using bubble sort algorithm. So if he want to understand what is bubble sort, like before moving forwarding to the coding section part, like he will know the algorithm for the bubble sort, like what is bubble sort. So by the help of this theory, you can see here is definition is written for the bubble sort. Like bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping adjacent element if they are in the wrong order until the list is sorted. The theory behind bubble sort can be summarized in the following steps. Like it will compare the adjacent element as I am shown in the example. Like it will check the right side value. If right side value is greater than from the left side value, then it will get swapped. Till then, when it is arranged in the ascending order, then the bubble sort sorting is fully completed. So after the theory part, you can see procedure is there. So if you click on the procedure, you can see this this page will appear. Like you can see real life procedure is there, and like what we are going to perform in the programming, like it is a Python code is there. So if the student is not able to understand the code, Python code, so he can easily go through this procedure. So the student will get the idea okay, what is ARR means, what is n equal to len means. Here you can see ARR is the array initialization, n equal to length array. It means it stored the array length of the variable n, and swapped equal to false. So everything will be explained here. Like in code, you can see that the conditions are written like for condition, if condition, else condition, but user don't know why we are using it. So he or she can go through this procedure to get the idea why we are using this for, why we are using this if condition or else condition. After that, in this procedure, simulation procedure are also there. Like suppose we have opened the simulation, but we don't know what to do next. In this simulation, hint is there, but if user want to understand like by step what we need to do in this simulation, so he will go through this simulation procedure. Here you can see the step by steps, all things are written. Like first step is like select the variable to be tracked from the drop down list. The second step is to click on the start button to view the state diagram. And the third step is to, if you have clicked on the start button, then use the next and previous button to view the state diagram. And after that, in the fourth step, and this is the final step, that click on the reset button when the state diagram is completed. So if any user has, suppose if any user missed this video, so he can easily go through this simulation procedure, like how to perform this simulation. So by the help of this simulation procedure, any user can perform this simulation. So now I am moving forward to the simulation part. So for simulation, the user has to click on this learning resources. If you click on the learning resources, you can see that the simulation of the bubble sort is there. So you have to, the user has to needs to click on this simulation bubble sort, then this screen will appear. So this is the simulation screen that user will get after clicking on that link. So you can see bubble sort, learn sorting step by step. So you have to click on this simulation. If you will click on the simulation, the procedure that I have explained in this previous tab, so you can see the coding is, the Python code is on the left hand side, the visualization in the center, and the number that we have to write here, like for the sorting, is in the right panel. So before starting with the simulation, I will explain you this code. What is this code means? So in programming, in Python programming, if the code is start from def bubble sort list 1, it doesn't mean the code is starting from this line. So here you can see there is a variable that is num list. So it means in procedure also I have explained you that what is this mean. We have to initialize the array first. So here you can see we are taking the array here. Like you can see 8, 7, 13, 1, -9 and 4. These are the number that is taken in the array. So after that, it will sort the array according to the its size and swap it in the ascending order. So right now I will take the number like any random number.
Sure.
So after the taking any number, we have to take the number by giving the space. So you have to click on the set array. Then you can see on the visualization screen the number will appear here. As I told you, the array length is start from the 0. So you can see 2 is assigned as 0, 4 is assigned as 1, and 1 is assigned as 2, and 6 is assigned as 3, and 8 is assigned as 4. It means it is 5 length, but the starting length count in array is start from 0. So after that, you can see on the left side of the panel in the programming code, as I told you that the program is start from the array. So you can see it get highlighted like num list is stored with 2, 4, 1, 6, 8. After that, you have to click on the next step button to see the comparison, like the first two number. So if you click on the next step, you can see the sorted list, bubble sort num list is stored. After that, it will store. It will check the length of the array. After that, it will n-1 that I told you, it will passes. The passes will go to till n-1. It means the length minus 1. So here right now the length is 5. So 5 minus 1 until 4 pass it will go. So after that, in for loop, you can see it is comparing. Like it is comparing list 1 is left side. Left side is compared with the right side, and it will compare. Its left side is less than the right side. If it is less than the right side, then it is correct. If it is not, then it will get swapped. So you can see 2, 4. 2 is less than 4. It means we don't need to swap it. Now it will go for the next part. You can see 6, 8. Again, pass 1 is completed. It means there is no need to swap any of the number. Again, it will go for the second pass. Now you can see 8 is the largest number in this array list. So 8 is assigned in the last side. So it is fixed. So it is get marked with the green. It means it is fixed. Now it can't be changed. Now we have to click on the next step button. It will check 2, 1. It means you can see 2, 1 it will check, and you can see that 1 is get replaced by the 2 because 1 is lesser than 2. That's why it gets swapped. Bubble sort means it is sorting is done till the numbers in the array list is assigned in a ascending order. This is the bubble sort definition actually. So you can see 2 is get replaced by the 1 because 2 is greater than 1. That's why. Again, it will check for the 2, 4. It is satisfying the condition. Again, it will check the 4, 6, 8 condition. Again, you can see the second last position is fixed because 6 is in a correct position because 6 is greater than all the 3 before number. After that, it will again check 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and you can see 4 is fixed, 1, 2, then it will check for 1, 4, 1, 2. Now you can see the sorting is completed. It is good till 4 passes because the length is 4. Because the length was 5, as I told you that it will go to the n-1 times of passes. So 5 minus 1 is 4. That's why it goes for the 4 passes, and you can see the sorting is completed here. So if any student want to explore any new number, like with the different numbers, like if any faculty has given the students some different number, so the student can restart this activity and type the another different number to check whether it is sorted in bubble sort is correctly or not. So by this method, the user can go through with this simulation and perform the different activities and perform the different numbers for bubble sort and get the idea what is bubble sort by the help of the theory also, procedure also, and with the help of the simulation it will get the better idea. Yeah.
Okay. So any other features of virtual labs? So
after exploring through all the Diksha thing, like the theory thing, procedure thing, simulation thing, so a student wants to know that like he is get expert in this thing or not. So he will go with the self-evaluation part also. In this virtual lab, self-evaluation is also there. So if user want to test himself, like he is he understand the logic or not, so he will go with the simulation self-assessment part also.
Okay.
So for self-assessment, in the learning resources, yeah, you can see here self-evaluation bubble sort is there. If user will click on this, then this screen will appear. So the activity, the theory the user has gone through, on the basis of that only the questions will appear here. So you can see like user will go through this question, and if any user has no idea like what is this question, like after the first pass of the bubble sort is in ascending order, which elements reaches its correct position. So if a student have not idea like what is he will go to the hint also. There is an option of hint also.
Okay.
If he will click on this hint button, like it moves towards the end of the list. It means if any user has go through the theory, procedure, simulation, everything, still he get confused in the question, some of the questions, so he can use the hint button to get the idea about this concept of this question and easily solve this question. So suppose I am clicking on the large element, after it will go to the next question. So simply like what will the result after comparing 9 and 3 in the bubble sort for ascending order? So they will be swapped because 9 is greater than 3. So these are the questions that user will get, but this question is not from outside from this theory, procedure or simulation part. So randomly I am selecting right now. So you can, after the completion of all the questions, the user will get this report, like how much marks he has scored. Like you can see right now 3 out of 10, and for each question correct answer is there, and one line explanation is also there. Like if any user has like see that why it is incorrect, so one line explanation is also there. Like in second question you can see what is the minimum number of passes required in the bubble sort for a list of n elements. You can see user had marked n, but the correct answer is n minus 1.
Okay.
You can see the one line explanation is also there, like for n elements bubble sort requires n minus 1 passes. As I told you that the length is n. So as for the number of passes, for the array list, for bubble sort it will always go with n minus 1. It means the length minus 1. That number of passes will go for in the bubble sort coding programming. So by this method user can go with the questions also, like why it is incorrect, why it is correct. For correct answer also it will give the explanation. As you can see in the first question, that after the first pass of the bubble sort in the ascending order, which element reaches its correct position. You can see the user have marked in the largest element, that is option C. So for this question also explanation is also there. Like after the first pass, the largest element reaches its correct position at the end of the list. So you can see by this method user can easily understand the concept and the logic for the bubble sort or for the any other topic related to any of the subject. Yeah.
Thank you so very much for this wonderful explanation. And at this very end of this program, in a very short, we want to know, sir, as we all know till now, it's a student-centric platform, right?
Yes.
So what about the teachers? How virtual labs can be helpful for teachers, sir?
Yeah. So for teachers, teachers help. Teachers are given the theory part and the programming for all the students, but for every student it is not like in some of the let's just take an example of the rural areas. In rural areas, computer lab is not there. If it is there, like very limited computer is there. Suppose 2 or 3 PC is there, and a student are like 50 and 60.
Right.
So it will very difficult for the teachers also to like give the time all the time to the system for all the students. So for them they need only the stable internet connection and any devices, not only the PC. If any smartphone is also there, you can user can easily go with the smartphone. The teacher can give a smartphone or tablets to the students, like go with the diksha.gov.in website and log it with your email ID and just log in with your email ID and go through any of the courses, any of the simulation, any of the subjects according to its own grade. So for teachers also it is very beneficial. Like a student can understand the concepts very easily, very practically, and without harming each other. Like let's take example for the chemistry. Like suppose for in chemistry lab many harmful gases, chemicals are
Right.
there. So with the help of this virtual lab, so without touching any harmful
Chemical.
gases, chemical, anything, student can easily perform the activity and get the idea what is this chemical reaction is there, what is gas is there, everything.
Okay. So it's time for me to wrap up this session because we are running very short of time. So, but before that, let me thank our expert. Thank you so very much, Harsh sir, for being with us and for this wonderful explanation of bubble sort. So, dear viewers, as you know, virtual labs are for you only. This platform is for you only, and you can learn a lot more things in virtual lab at your convenience, according to your pace. And thank you so very much, Anushka, as well. And before I wrap up this session, let me share about other sessions as well for you all. At 11 o'clock, we will be back with our another live interaction named Ullas. The topic would be redefining literacy beyond reading and writing, and rest of the programs are in front of you. We want you to join all our sessions, and me, Renu Bhatt, along with my whole team is taking your leave, but you stay tuned to PM eVidya channel for more informative programs. Namaskar.